Alright, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I tackled a problem that came up when it comes to getting my trash down to the curb. Alright, so here's the situation. We have a very long driveway that includes a pretty big hill. So our trash company recently switched to using this large trash container because they want to do automated pickup with the trucks. So we used to just throw trash cans in the back of the side-by-side, haul them down, not a big deal. But when this thing is full, it gets a little too heavy to lift up into the back of the side-by-side. So I wanted to come up with a solution to easily get the trash can down to the end of the road and not spend a bunch of money or waste a bunch of time doing it. So what I figured out is this little device here, which I was able to purchase on Amazon, and there'll be a link in the description, as always, to it. Real simple. It's just like a Hitch receiver, but let me show you how it works. So you don't have to use a side-by-side. You could use your truck, your SUV, anything that has a standard 2-inch receiver hitch. So we also have our 4-wheeler 2-inch receiver on, which this will work great on. But we just take this, like that. And then there's a couple ways that this is designed to be used. You can see on the front of the trash can, there's this bar, and that's so the trucks can actually grab it and dump it. You could lift it up on the bar like that. You can see it's actually most of the weight of the trash can is off the ground. Maybe one wheel's touching. I don't really like that. That would work great if somehow your hitch went up and down and you could just raise it up, because you still have to take a lot of the weight of the trash can, pick it up and put it on there. So the easiest way is just to take the trash can, tip it like this, and this is meant to fit securely, just like that. So here is the setup. Now obviously if you have something heavy in here, I mean this is a pretty steep angle, so that shouldn't just come open, but if you're really worried about it, you could put a bungee across the top like that. Alright, so that's all there is to it. It's really a very simple solution, not that expensive. Make your life a lot easier getting your trash can to the curb or back up to the house. If it's like me and includes some hills, this is really going to be worth the money really fast. So like I said, there'll be a link in the description where you can buy it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Be sure to subscribe for more. Till next time, we'll see you later.